Hi guys! Today we're going to be working on the truck. Well, I've been waiting on it because I had to get some parts in and the weather's been terrible. And today I can finally get onto it. Let's see what we're going to do. First things first, we're going to have to get the bed off. As you can see, it hasn't changed in about a month and a half. So the problem is these rails are pretty soft. This one and this one. I was originally just going to patch them, but you're able to get replacements. So ordered these replacements off of eBay. It was about $400. So I'm going to start with this one because it's nice and easy, just straight. You don't have to deal with the gas tank at all. So let me set you up on a time lapse and I'll start with that. Okay, I got the truck backed in. Now it's time to verify the part before I cut anything out. Yeah. Shock hanger is in the right place. Or mostly. Maybe not. Oh, the shock hanger's off a little bit. So this would sit right there. Enough overhang. Well, that's annoying. The hanger's off. Not by a lot, but it is off. So as you can see, there's the old hanger. There's the new one. And there is a bit of an angle on that, so that's annoying. Huh. Okay. But yeah, because this comes pre-welded, so it kind of sets you up in the right spot. You know, takes the guesswork out of it, but yeah, the way this is sitting, well, right there. So let's see. Yeah, we're off. Fair amount. I think it'll work anyways, but kind of annoying. And then the only other difference is too, this one has the exhaust hanger off of that, right? This one doesn't come with one. Yeah, so I'm gonna read up on the instructions and get this thing cut out. There you have it. It's all removed. This thing literally had structural integrity of a pop can. I'm glad I didn't patch it. The shock mount was super thin. There's no way I was able to weld to that. So yeah, came out pretty good. This side is a little bit better. This side is a little hairier, but I'm gonna take a break and come back, clean this out, and then I'll start mocking things up, see how everything sits. Okay, got everything sort of mocked up, traced out where I gotta clean off. So this plate welds to the outside, then welds to this weld right here, and then flush along the frame rail there. This doesn't get as tight as I like, but you get it right here to here, and that's, you know, more than the factory. And then I just got to get the other pieces to slide over that, but yeah, not too bad. This side's traced out. But yeah, I just need to take off undercoating, and then this will get welded to the frame. Yeah, this will be a nice beefy unit when it's done. And then the last thing I'm gonna weld is this. So, okay, put you on time lapse for that. Okay, just got the tops tacked in. Tack both sides. Tack the tube to the support. Sits pretty flush at the bottom, so I have good connection there. Then I just need to clean up these tubes, and then tack the reinforcements on there. Weld around, weld around. Man, obviously, if I had a MIG welder, like a 220 MIG, you know, this would be super easy. I'd be done this in like 15 minutes. Like, shit, you could burn through all the paint if you really wanted to. But the TIG, I gotta take my time. I have this big Gunslinger 260 that I'm working on. Video's not out yet for that, but didn't get that going. I wanted to get it going for this, but here we are. So yeah, I think this is ready to burn in. You know, all that stuff I can hit up with the wire wheel, but this is definitely going to be stronger than what it was, that's for sure. Hey, sit back and enjoy. Well, there you have it, all welded in. So on the time lapse, I switched over to the MIG just to do this thinner plate. That's less than an 1/8 inch. Same with the pipe. So it's all right to switch over for that. Now that already came welded. This guy all burnt in, ready to go. Kind of in a shitty spot. I'm gonna give this a quick paint because it's raining outside. It's like +2 right now. My garage is flooding. All the dirty frame rails that we replaced. And yeah, I just gotta reconnect the shock and the battery. I think the angle will be all right. I loosened them up. So I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Next one will be this one here. Just kind of wanted to get my feet wet with this one first. So I have a bit of a technique. This one, it looks like I have to drop the gas tank, so that's probably gonna take more than a day to do, realistically. Luckily the gas tank's already empty, so should be good. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.